Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to open Canadian Bank FirstOntario Saving. So first we're going to go to our browser. Then next we're going to type in firstontario.com. Then we're going to click on the link. So this is their official website. So next we're going to click on personal, then savings account. So once we scroll, we have different options. I chose the high interest e-savings option. Then we're going to click on open an account, then join now. That's going to take us to a separate page where there are different instructions for us before we begin. After that, we'll click on agree and get started once we fulfill our requirements. Then on the personal details, we'll fulfill everything that's listed here. So once you're done with this, we're going to click on next, then they're going to register you. So this is how you open the account. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.